Hello everyone, this is a video showing the steps for the reflection lab. After drawing a line with a pencil with the middle of the paper, place your mirror, trace the edges of the mirror. Next we want to decide where our object would be. So you're taking your ruler, make sure it's 90 degrees with the surface of the mirror and measure around 5.5 centimeters. Place a dot and call it O, representing our object. Now we draw from point O towards the mirror a ray of light, doesn't really matter the angle. Now taking our protractor, the point of intersection between the ray of light and the surface of the mirror is the point where we will be drawing the normal line, measuring 90 degrees on the protractor. Make sure it's dashed because it's imaginary, it doesn't really exist. Next we will place our mirror and we get two pins, we fix them on the red ray of light coming from the object towards the mirror. Now in order to locate the position of the reflected ray, we close one eye, we lower our head so that our eyes are leveled with the mirror. You should check the image that is appearing, the reflection that is appearing on the mirror, and you keep on moving around until you will find the this is the perfect position where both pins appear to be perfectly aligned. Alright, so this is wrong, this is the correct position. Once this position is found, you drop a third pin that should also be perfectly aligned with the reflection of the two yellow pins that is seen through the mirror, and you drop a fourth one for more accurate results. Now we press the pins firmly to leave a trace on the paper. Next we take the ruler and we draw a line, aligning the trace of the two pins and the point of intersection of the incident ray with the surface of the mirror. Don't forget to draw two arrows to show the direction of the incident ray and the direction of the reflected ray. Now we repeat the same procedure, but this time we draw another line coming from the object O, striking the mirror. Doesn't really matter at which angle. Alright, now we want to identify where the image appears or is located. As you can see, both reflected rays did not meet in front of the mirror, but if we extend them behind the mirror, we can see how they will actually meet at a certain point. And this is it. This is the image that we see through the mirror. Now we analyze the characteristics of the image. Let's start by measuring the distance from the image to the surface of the mirror. We do this by using the ruler. Make sure that the ruler is placed at 90 degrees with the surface of the mirror. I got a measure of around 5.4 centimeter, which is approximately the same exact distance of the object away from the mirror. And so the first characteristic of the image is that it appears with the same distance away from the mirror. Now, beside the fact that we have the same distance, the image appears to have the same shape, size, but it's a virtual image. The reason why we say that the image is virtual is because if we look over the reflected ray of the surface of the mirror, we can see how they don't actually meet. So they don't intersect in front of the mirror. Their extension, their virtual extension behind the mirror is what creates or locate the position of the image.